So, this is a short YouTube video, but yeah, whatever. So, I went to the Apple Park Visitor Center today and bought the Apple Park shirt. Let's see what $40 from Apple gets you. So the packaging is pretty nice. It just shows what type of shirt you got. It's just a plain white square box. But yeah. And by the way, a full video on my trip to the Bay Area will be coming out soon. So let's just get right into the unboxing. So it just comes in a plastic bag like this with warning labels on it. The text is in Apple San Francisco font. And on the back, it just says Apple and Made in China. And this is what it looks like outside of its packaging bag. And here's the tag. Yeah, the Apple tag. Well, what do you guys think about this? I think it looks pretty good. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos, including a full version of my trip to the Bay Area. So yeah, bye!